Hello, in this video, I want to show a recent discovery of how you can actually get the Boogie Board Blackboard Smart Notebook to show your handwriting in real time. So I've got to give a shout out to Brian Friedlander over at assistivetech.com who actually discovered this, and this is pretty brilliant. So let me show you how to do this. So first of all, if you go to gridaboard.io, this is actually created by NeoLab, which creates the Neo Smart Pen, but it actually works with the Boogie Board Smart Pen as well. So this is a great little hack. Let me show you how it works. So again, go to gridaboard.io and then simply click on New, create a board, and you'll need to connect the pen. So go ahead and open up the cap on your Smart Notebook pen, and it will take a minute while it scans. And then boom, you'll see it show up. Click on it, press pair. You'll see that it says connected pens and it shows one because I've connected my pen. So at this point, you can choose your pen color. Let's go ahead and go with a blue, and you can choose the pen thickness. So I'm going to make it almost the thickest. And now when I write on my Boogie board, you'll see that my handwriting actually shows up in real time now. So this is a great pairing. Again, I'm using gridaboard.io, and I paired it with my pen by clicking on this little button here. All I did was I opened up the cap of the pen, and that was it. It recognized it, and I was able to pair the two up. Now, when you're done writing, and you can change the color of the pen. So obviously on the device itself, you're not going to see the color recognized, but you will on the screen. So you can change the pen color with ease, which is really nice. You can also use a highlighting tool. So you could highlight. Let's go ahead and highlight in yellow. Now it will look like I'm scribbling stuff out on my actual Boogie Board device. However, what shows up here is perfect. I wanted to highlight that, so that's great. Of course, I can always do the highlights with my mouse here too, if I want to, not using the device, but I like really just focusing on the device itself, and I can change some of the colors and the pens and all that stuff. And then when I'm all done, I can save it. So I can save it right here to access when I sign back into the Gridaboard app itself. But what's also cool is I can export, and I can export it as a PDF. So I know that I'll use that a lot. Now it is exported as a PDF, and I have that. I can back it up wherever I want. Now, if I go back to Gridaboard itself, so let's go to the Gridaboard home, you'll see that my demo that I had saved it at was actually saved, so I could go back into this and I could add on to it if I wanted to. So that's going to be it, because this is really simple. There's not that much you can do in the app except change some of the colors, and you can clear the whole page. There's an eraser tool too, but that's going to be it. I hope you found this helpful. I'm really excited about this myself. All right, bye-bye.